In 2024, Tokyo introduces Lyf Ginza, a cutting-edge addition to the city's hotel landscape, located near the prestigious Ginza district. Unlike traditional accommodations, Lyf Ginza is tailored to travelers seeking more than just a place to stay, offering a social, community-focused environment perfect for tech-savvy guests and digital nomads. Combining high-tech amenities with a minimalist yet functional design, the hotel's concept encourages interaction through shared spaces such as co-working lounges, a social kitchen, and a cafe bar, making it ideal for those who thrive in collaborative settings. Lyf Ginza is part of the Ascot Limited, a well-known Singaporean hospitality brand. With approximately 18 properties in Tokyo alone, including Ascot Marunouchi Tokyo and Oakwood Premier Tokyo, Lyf Ginza stands out for its distinct blend of style and functionality. For international travelers, its location is highly convenient, just a 10-minute walk from Tokyo Station, making it easily accessible even when carrying luggage. Upon arrival, the hotel's striking black exterior immediately captures attention. With two entrances, guests can either enter through a chic cafe and bar called Refuel at the front or through the main entrance at the back, leading directly to the lift lobby. The guest experience truly begins on the second floor, where visitors are welcomed by a friendly team that ensures a smooth and efficient check-in process. Lyf Ginza's design is minimalistic, fun, yet highly practical. The rooms, such as the Good for One Plus Studio Single that we are staying today, are specifically crafted for solo travelers. Most single room features a comfortable small double bed, a working desk with a table lamp, overhead shelves for storage, power outlets with USB charging ports, and a wall-mounted television with access to hotel information. With the design elements, like the Ginza cityscape-inspired wallpaper and bright red accents, add a unique local touch to the overall aesthetic. For travelers, the room includes practical amenities like an open-concept wash basin area with basic toiletries, such as toothbrushes, toothpaste, and hand wash that are readily available. Since there's no wardrobe, a small section of the metal hangers is provided. And this laundry bag provided is meant for use in the wash and hang laundry room, located on the second floor. In keeping with the minimalist approach, your luggage can be tucked underneath the bed, and essential items like tea bags, cups, and an electric kettle are also neatly placed in one corner of the room, while the safe and minibar are tucked underneath. Along with USB outlets conveniently located near the desk and bed for quick device charging. Additionally, a bright yellow hotel-branded yukata and disposable slippers are supplied for guest comfort during your stay. The bathroom is equipped with a compact but modern shower, and guests will also find a fully automated Toto WC, a staple in Japan's high-tech restroom facilities. While the shower space might feel a bit tight for some, the overall functionality is well suited to the needs of solo travelers. In addition to the room's amenities, Lyf Ginza offers various communal spaces for guests. Connect is a co-working lounge perfect for getting work done or meeting new people, while Refuel on the first floor serves as both a cafe and bar, ideal for meals throughout the day. There's also a small gym, Burn, for fitness enthusiasts, and Bond, a social kitchen where guests can heat up food or prepare light meals. After staying at the hotel for 3 nights, I found that it met all the essentials for a solo trip. The hotel has a sleek design, a comfortable bed, and a well-functioning bathroom. The desk was perfect for late-night work, and the security was solid. Although I didn't make use of the communal areas, they offered a nice change of atmosphere for relaxation from the room. Breakfast was decent, though seating was limited, but there's an option to take it upstairs to the communal area at level 2. Overall, I highly recommend it for those seeking something different from a typical hotel or business hotel near Tokyo Station. If you'd like to see the full POV shot of this video, you can access the link in the below description. Thank you for watching until the end, and I hope this video helps you find the perfect accommodation for your trip and safe travels.